Gentlemen, I know you. I noticed you when you walked in. I noticed you were checking out the drip. I saw you. And I noticed you were a good kid. And right away, your principal was telling me, yeah, great kid, outstanding kid, a lot of potential. And they talked about you as well. And I want to give you all something. These chains represent a lot to me. These chains have a boxing glove at the end. And I wear mine. And I want to give you all one as well. And as long as you have this chain, as long as you have it, you're going to promise me you're not going to give up. Promise? Promise? You promise you're going to keep coming to school until you finish. Do you promise? And you promise me one more thing. Any behavior that needs to be fixed at school, we're going to fix that because that glove represents what it means to be a champion. Can we do this? You agree? I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Appreciate you. Y'all put it on. Put it on right now. Put it on. You put it on right now. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Y'all wear it with pride, okay?